Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video with
Kelsey and Eric. That's Eric.
That's Kelsey.
So today we built our slime factory it's only one layer because, yeah. And there's 4 stations. There's big slimes, small slimes, blue slimes, and green slimes. And not homemade slimes. So, yeah, we're going to be picking from
homemade or basically like
the store-bought. And kind of bad. This is where we're going to be picking. There's 4 different stations, 4 different pieces of paper.
Mix it up more, that way we don't know
Here, you hold them. Hold them by the pop socket.
Okay.
I really hope I don't get the not homemade slime. I want the big slimes because they're
Me
nice.
too. They're like the best.
Let's go show them the station here. Carry the
Okay.
bucket. Don't pick yet. Ow! I hate you, Eric.
Don't call me that.
Eric?
What?
You said don't call me that, Eric. So there's this pink and green slime, blue slime, and
Don't
blue
show
glow-in-the-dark slime. Yeah, they have to see so they know what we're playing with.
Don't show them the big slimes.
Yeah.
Because they're the best.
So we have the ones in these containers are bad, really bad.
Bad. Sorry
A green
to you,
slime,
Nick.
a slime.
Nickelodeon slime.
So then we have this big jug of gold glitter slime. This glow, it's really nice, but it's not glow in the dark. So I'm sponsored by Caden. So Caden, if you're watching this video, there you go. The slime that I made at my house. Oh yeah. So this slime I made, and this blue one I made over here. And then the last ones that are store-bought are this one. Oh, this one's homemade. So guys, we forgot that he switched out the container. So this one's homemade, but it's still bad. It's not really stretchy. So we're gonna put it with the nut. And then we have this alien slime. I don't know how good this one is. And then we have this one.
That's a really good jiggly slime.
So yeah, 1 second. Let me see how this slime is again. Oh, what's it? Oh, you put the toxic slime in here.
Because I was saving room.
And we have to play with every single slime at the station, even if we hate it. So, Eric, you pick first. Close your eyes. Wait, I have to wait 1 second. I have to fix these because they're all like stuck together.
Oh, because you know where it is.
No, because they're all stuck together. Go pick. There you go. Don't open it yet. Okay.
Please be big.
Open.
Not.
Small slimes, guys. I got the small slimes.
I got not homemade.
No, show them. Show them what you've got on your paper. No, you have to play with it at that station.
Oh, come on. When did you be the rule maker?
I created this idea.
No, you didn't.
Kind of. So guys, maybe next video we might bring down the spawn machine. Move. You have to stay in your center.
Shush.
So
I'm not even in the fort anymore.
I'm going to be playing with these ones and these ones. This one. So I'm first gonna play with the green slime.
Oh,
No,
this
first gonna play
slime
with the
feels
bad slime.
so good, guys. It feels.
No, this
like
one's the pink one.
ocean.
I don't want to take this one out because then it's not gonna fit back in the container.
Yeah.
So yeah, this is the pink one. It's more like kind of like putty, not stretchy.
That should be called putties.
Yeah, putty slime. Because it's not stretchy, it's more like putty feeling. I called this one putty slime before I made it stretchy. And before it was like that and wouldn't stretch, but it was nice and like bubble. You can make a bubble with it. Yeah. This one still isn't that.
Brody's down.
No, someone is. This one still isn't as stretchy.
Oh, it's so foggy.
But yeah, I'm done with that one. Now I'm on with my red one.
Okay, I'm done with this one. Who tooted? Ugh. That one's a good slime.
I know. So guys, I don't even know how I made this.
Wait,
slime,
that one was
but I
at that one.
Yeah, I know.
The Mario
I'm just
Planet.
putting the container on it, and I have to show them what it looks like. So guys, I really love this slime. It makes a bubble, but I'm not going to do a bubble in this fort because it's low. He has the high center area, kind of. And when someone gets in the big, they'll have high center because it gets higher. Okay, so that one's done. I'm on my last one.
I'm on my last one.
The tree one?
Tree
The
one.
sucky one? Oh no, I finished. Oh. I forgot I played with the pink one also.
Oh. I'm so disgusted.
Oh, I don't know when I go to that station. So guys, we're doing 3 rounds. 3 rounds only, so somebody will not go to one station.
Yep.
So,
So I think we should take out one of the stations.
no, it's like
each
fun.
time.
Okay.
We're only gonna have 2 rounds, right? Because there's
3
only-
rounds. Well, there's 2 rounds left after this.
Okay.
Okay, Eric, ready? And if you get the same one, you get to repick. Don't open yet.
Okay.
I'm going for this one. I feel like I'm gonna get not homemade. Small slime again.
Big or no blue slime.
You're like, hey.
I got excited for a second. It had a big.
I'm going for
slime
this one, guys. I really hope this is blue. I mean big. Big slime!
You cheater.
I'm getting all the good ones.
Why did you repick?
Because I got my same one. I got small slime again. No, literally. Eric, shut up. If you're going to be like that. So, guys, I'm at the big slimes. I'm excited for this round.
I like it.
Which one? Oh, by the way, my blue slime that I made dyes your hand.
Oh, come on.
So, I'm going to play with my slime. First, I feel like the roof is dropping on me, but I don't know.
Because it is.
Eric, I think I figured out how to switch over from each phone when you're doing video.
It doesn't dye your hair.
Yes, it does.
Not for me. I like the blue slime. Your slime is good.
So now we're on to the big jug. Okay, if you're at the big slime center, you can move out so you have some space to play with the big slimes. Because I have literally no room. Oh, and whoever has the worst slimes at each center loses. Whoever has the most least slimes at all their centers and all.
I don't know. This center's pretty good.
I know, so is mine. Guys, so I love this gold slime. I just got it. I just figured this that he has it out today. This is one of his birthday presents. He got so many birthday presents with slime, and he got so
I'm
many slime.
finished with my center.
I'm not. I just have one more to go. Eric, can you put that in? No
Yeah.
playing with it. Oh, and put this back in the container. Guys, so if I don't get what the one that Eric got, the non-homemade, then So,
Are you almost finished?
yeah. This one's good, but like if you go too fast, it doesn't stretch or break.
Sponsored by King.
Yes, sponsored by Kaden. I cannot find it. You cannot barely see it, guys, because... Here, close that up and put it away. So I'm going to take...
Tell me to do everything.
Because I have to take them in.
You're like your child.
Because you are younger than me, I mean. Wait, aren't you a 9 now?
Yeah.
So guys, say happy birthday to Eric. Today's his real birthday.
The 8th was not.
Oh yeah, happy birthday, Eric.
Thank you. Thank you.
So guys, we're gonna put you here so we can pick. Eric, let's hope you get the one that you wanted. Actually, the last 2 centers that you can get are good.
Okay.
I got that one.
Okay, I already got this one.
Which one is it?
Not so good slime.
Yeah, I got,
What one was it?
it was the small slime. Don't eat it yet.
No, it's blue slime. I already did that one.
Already did that one. Big slime, yeah.
I already did this one. Yes!
I pretty much won this
And
challenge.
a big
'cause I didn't
slime,
get the
yes.
Guys, I pretty much won the challenge because I didn't get the not homemade slime.
Yes! Okay, move out of the way.
If you want to go out of here, you can.
I don't want to, I don't care.
Alien head move. Nobody likes you.
You.
Hey guys, and at the end, we're gonna pick, like, play with the ones that we never got. So now I have to play with
I got
those.
every one, I think.
No, you only get 3.
Oh, yeah, because I
didn't get
didn't
the
get
small.
that one. The small slimes must be good.
And then, guys, next video we're gonna make
Ew,
slime.
it did dye my hand.
Told ya. Be careful with that one. Remember how sticky it is?
Oh, yeah. Put
Guys,
that.
so here are the
I don't
slimes.
really approve.
So guys, I really like the slime that I made at my friend's house. It's pretty nice. It's like a royal blue, but it's out of your
Royal
hands
blue.
whenever you're playing with it.
A big jug, finally.
Yeah, me and my friend created a YouTube channel. Go subscribe to it. It's Raymer Girls.
Not Kramer because
We combined our
Rudder
last name.
and Kramer.
Make
So,
Raymer.
Raymer.
So guys, this is the glow-in-the-dark slime.
Pretty good.
It's stitchy. It's not stretchy.
Sponsored by Kate.
It's not stretchy at first. Then when you get to it,
Warm hands, really. Yes.
okay. So don't tell them. Don't tell them. Don't tell them.
That was just a joke.
I was asking him a joke.
How do you ask a joke?
I don't know.
You were telling a joke.
Yeah, I was telling him a joke. Okay, I'm not playing with this last slime because this slime's bad.
I know.
But I
it
pretty much
doesn't
played
even
with
go
it.
back in the container.
Because I touched it. So now we're gonna go to the station that we haven't played with yet. Are you done with yours?
Kind
Just finished.
Yep.
So now we're gonna go to the stations that we haven't played with, which is this one. You get to pick 2 of the slimes that you want to play with at those stations, because there's 3 at each station, guys.
Which one didn't you get to play with?
This one, and you didn't get to play with the small.
Oh, yeah.
So I picked these 2 because I don't want to even try this one. Does this smell good now? Oh. I smell it. It smells like licorice. I'm just kidding. It smells like barf.
I know, seriously. I feel bad for Adam.
Okay, so this is a nice, not so stretchy slime, but it's good.
I'm not even going to play with the pink one. That one I have already played with.
Be careful with these. That slime's fine, but this one's sticky. Do not put it in your palms. So guys, now I'm playing with the alien one. I'm already on my second one. He's only on his first.
Stop.
Oh, you're right. This alien slime
I'm
is
on my
good.
second because I said I wasn't playing with that one. I already know what it feels like.
I know, but you have to play with that one.
So I'm on my second.
You're on your first, Eric.
Shh.
Eric, it's fine. So guys, this is this one. This one's really jiggly. And it smells like chlorine. That's not bad, though, compared to this tree one.
I want to have a fan meet up sometime.
I know. Guys, comment down below if we should have a fan meetup with you guys. And comment down below if you're a fan so we can give you a shout out. So yeah. I'm going to be checking this video every day for comments down below to see if you guys want a shout out.
And remember the fort video? Some people commented.
Yeah. Cassidy.
Cassidy. She commented. She watches our channel.
I know.
And then.
Oh yeah, shout out to Cassidy and Kaden. Oh, Cassidy subscribed when there was 8 subscribers.
What about Kaden?
Kaden, comment down below if you subscribed. If you did, then we'll give you the real shout out.
Okay, but there was this person called Carolyn Nelson. I don't know if that was Kaden or something.
I don't know.
But it had Nelson, so I was like, maybe.
Kaden, comment down below so we can figure out your user, your Snapchat, whatever you're on. User.
Username.
Oh, guys, so go follow me on Snapchat at kkramer322 and go follow me on Instagram, Philadelphia Soulmate, aka _Kelsey, and then go follow me on TikTok. It's ketchup mustard 18. Yeah. Because me and my friend, I'm Ketchup because I start with a K. My friend starts with an M because she's Megan. So yeah, Megan, if you're watching, shout out to you.
Yeah.
So yeah, guys, this is finished. And yeah, bye. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Bye.
Bye.